Hi guys. I wanted to share 10 reasons why to join an affiliate program. Let's get going. Number 1. Low startup costs. You won't need to invest your life savings to get started as an affiliate. You can start with just a laptop, an internet connection, and a sense of humor. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere as an affiliate, even in your pajamas. The only person judging you is your cat, and they don't care what you wear. No customer support. You won't have to deal with angry customers or answer phones in the middle of the night. You can sleep soundly knowing that customer support is someone else's problem. Passive income. You can make money in your sleep with affiliate marketing. You might even dream about those sweet commissions. Unlimited earning potential. Your earnings potential is only limited by your creativity and willingness to work. You might not become a millionaire, but at least you'll be able to afford the fancy coffee. No inventory or shipping. You won't need to deal with shipping, inventory, or any of that boring stuff. You can leave that to the people who enjoy that sort of thing. Wide range of products and services to promote. You can promote anything from dog food to rocket ships as an affiliate. The sky's the limit unless you're promoting rocket ships, in which case, the sky is just the beginning. Variety of promotion methods. You can promote products in all sorts of creative ways, from writing blog posts to making videos to dressing up in a chicken suit and dancing on the street corner. Scalability. You can grow your business as big as you want. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be running a global affiliate empire from your mom's basement. Ability to work with reputable brands. You'll have the chance to work with big name brands and products. Just make sure you don't accidentally promote a competitor's product while wearing a t-shirt with the wrong logo. Also, please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time, and on the beaches of the moon.